Okay, so today we're going to go through some more two-step equations. I thought we needed just one more day of them before we kind of move on to some more difficult ones. And so I actually like this worksheet better than the one that's in the book. And so that's why I picked this. And so this is, and I'll write it up top, not in your book. So you'll have to do this on your own sheet of paper, okay? But it's only about 20 problems or so. One of the other things I like about it is up top, I have my steps that I talk about in class. And so the one in the book is another teacher that created it. This is one that I created, and so it has the steps that I talk about. So first step, draw my line down the equal sign. Second step, circle my variable. So there's the first step, there's the second step. Third step, add or subtract the constant. That's the number by itself. So that's right here, plus 4. So the opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. Come to the other side, minus 4. So 10 minus 4 gives me 6. Bring down my equal sign and bring down the 2x. So then the opposite of 2 times x, I'm going to divide by 2. Come over here to this side, divide by 2. So 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. So there's my answer. X equals 3. Okay, I'm going to go through the second one. Draw my line, circle that variable. Again, we're going to look at the number by itself. So this minus 5. So the opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. Negative 5 plus 5, those cancel out. Come over here to the other side, plus 5. So 10 plus 5 gives me 15. Bring down my equal sign and bring down the 3x. So now I have 3 times x. So the opposite of times 3 is divide by 3. Those 3's cancel out. The other side, divide by 3. So 15 divided by 3 gives me 5. X equals 5. Just as a reminder, if I'm going too fast, the whole point of it being recorded is that you can pause it, rewind it, watch it again. Okay, so there's 2 problems on the front. So I'm going to now go to the back, and I'm going to go through 2 problems on the back. So this first one right here, again, you'll notice very similar. Draw my line. Here's my variable. So I want to deal with the number by itself first. So the opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. So negative 4 plus 4, those cancel out. The other side, plus 4. So 2 plus 4 gives me 6. Bring down my equal sign and bring down this whole x over 2. So that means x divided by 2. So the opposite of dividing by 2 is multiply by 2. So just like on the front, the first 2 problems we did, those 2's cancel out. Come over here to the other side of my equation and multiply by 2. So 6 times 2 gives me 12. Bring down my equal sign and bring down my x. So there's my answer. X equals 12. Let's see if I can fix that. X equals 12. Okay, so then this last one I'm going to do. Again, same steps. Draw my line, circle my variable. The opposite of plus 4, minus 4. On the other side, minus 4. 10 minus 4 gives me 6. Bring down my equal sign and bring down this x divided by 3. So now the opposite of dividing by 3 is to multiply by 3. So those 3's cancel out. Now I have to multiply by 3 on the other side. So 6 times 3 gives me 18. Bring down my equal sign and bring down that variable x. So again, feel free to watch this again, pause it, rewind it, whatever you need to do. And again, I'm sorry it's not in the book, so you'll have to write down these problems on your own, but it's only about 20 of them or so.